Welcome to another episode of our popular Friday FAQ series where we reply to some of the most frequently asked immigration related questions. Today we are diving into the queries of Freedom of Information Act, which is also known as FOIA. Let's get started with today's questions. What is the Freedom of Information Act or FOIA? The Freedom of Information Act is a federal statute. FOIA allows anyone to access or request recorded information from public authorities. Through FOIA, any person can request records from the federal agency or the executive branch of the United States government. The federal agencies must disclose the requested records unless the records are protected from disclosure by any or 9 exceptions contained in the law or by one of 3 special law enforcement record exclusions. Our second question: what is a FOIA request? A FOIA request is a written request made to the U.S. federal agency by any individual or entity requesting federal records, including information and database held or believed to be held by an agency. Our final question: what is the benefit of making this request? If you want any particular information on your visa or immigration case, you can request a FOIA from the designated agency currently dealing with your immigration status. Furthermore, you can submit a FOIA request to obtain a record or document you do not possess or own. That was all for today. Hope you found the information insightful. See you next time on our next episode.